before we understand what is the significance of the Nobel Prize in medicine, we need to understand what is an autoimmune disease. Imagine your body, you have white blood cells. Whenever an invader, germ, virus, bacteria enters your body, your white blood cells attack it, and that's how you get saved. And if it is weak, you take antibiotics and so on, and it gets help, and you're cured. Okay, so white blood cells are magical. Now imagine, for whatever reason XYZ, your white blood cells attacks your own body. So let's take example of rheumatoid arthritis, in which it attacks your own joints. Your own white blood cells attacking your own joints, and your joints is paining and degrading. So what we can do, we can take medications to stop the triggering of the white blood cells for the attack, and that's a cure. But it's only a temporary cure. You have to keep taking the medicine for as long as possible, so that it always calms your white blood cells. But we can't have a medicine as in, for example, you have another a bacteria entering your body, your white blood cells is weak, you can take a medicine to kill the bacteria, but you can't take your medicines to kill the white blood cells because it is your own cell. So you can just only take medicines to calm it. Now the significance of this year's Nobel Prize is this, that we can now somehow do the research and make medicines, permanent medicines for such kind of autoimmune diseases. How? We have already known that Treg cells are there in our body which calm the white blood cells of our body, and they have been here for 25 years. But in this year's Nobel Prize research, we have found that these cells have a particular gene, okay, a single gene which is responsible for calming the immune system of your body. And therefore, with the help of that cell and with the help of that particular gene, we can take that out of a body and save it and then inject it. Now we know the gene. Earlier we only knew the cell. Now we also know the gene which is responsible for calming the autoimmune bodies, and therefore we can now start making medicines, and hopefully the autoimmune diseases which we have will be curable with the help of this research. That research is far away, but because it is possible and the combination Treg cells and the gene has been discovered, so they have rightly deserved the Nobel Prize in medicine. So that's it for today, guys. See you next time.